I'm here with Victor and Mike, and we're finna go in these woods right over there, and because we heard some mysterious mysterious sounds down there. So what we're gonna do? We're gonna go down there. We're gonna find out what the sound is. So
God is good, and the paper gonna get me again. Hold up, it's gonna fucking get me again. I don't know.
I wonder what that fucking sound is up in this bitch. Like for real. The fuck is this? Watch y'all step. This shit fucking fucking thick as fuck. Why y'all didn't bring a fucking flashlight from the fucking house?
What you saw?
What you fucking saw? Like shit fucking scary as fuck. Like, what the fuck going on?
Over there? Mike, over there? Then go. In the car.
Okay, so what the fuck is this sound that we're hearing? This is weird as shit. Okay, we're in the woods where the sound is reported. I don't know what the fuck this is. So much burnt stuff.
You, man. Fuck off. No.
What did you see? What did you see?
What did you see? Right.
Oh shit, what the fuck you see? What the fuck is... Okay. Oh, come on, bro. What the fuck? Go. Oh shit! Oh! Open! 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 The fuck? Bro, open! Open the door! Oh shit!